What's up, Breeze Heat family? We are doing some lasagna rolls today. If you are here, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Turn the notification button on because the rest of these recipes that are dropping are going to be bomb and you don't want to miss it. Y'all can get some regular ground turkey. You don't got to get like ground turkey breast. I accidentally grabbed that, But these are the ingredients we're going to be working with today. First, I took some smoked Gouda cheese and went ahead and went to grating that. Y'all, I saw this grating trick on TikTok where you like put the bag right there and then you like shake it and it's supposed to like help all the cheese come to the bottom. It took me a little while, but anyway, I was getting cheese all over the place. So once you finish clean up, into a bowl, we're going to add some of this garlic and herb cheese spread. Like, it's spreadable cheese, and I need to spread this cheese for this recipe, so I was like, why not? And I took probably, I would say, 3/4 of the ricotta cheese, 1 scoop of the cheese spread, add my Gouda cheese in there, freshly grated, yes. I couldn't find no Parmesan or mozzarella to grate when I was at the store, and who's finna go to multiple stores? Not me. So go ahead, add your Parmesan and mozzarella in there as well. Next, we're gonna season it up with some onion powder, garlic powder. That was a little mixture of the both. Salt, pepper, that's a little mixture of the two right there. And some Kinder's garlic herb seasoning. If you've been watching, y'all know I just learned that seasoning. And it is the bomb. I'm using on everything. We also gonna add in some oregano leaves up in there. Dried oregano. But yeah, like y'all already know, the measurements, everything will be listed below. This is just for me to help y'all walk through it. Next, you're gonna add your parsley. I just chopped up a little bunch of it. And I also chopped up some spinach just to make it a little bit more roll friendly, I guess, because these big, I don't know about chopping, I keep getting big old pieces of spinach, so I have to chop it up into kind of like slices or whatever. So roll them up, chop them up, put them together, and now you're gonna mix that thing together. It's gonna be a little hard at first because you ain't gonna want to get everything out the bowl, so you might want to get a bigger bowl than I did. But I mean, even if you don't, it still works. Look. All right, so you can go ahead and get your noodles together. Probably just do this step first. Just do it. Well, I don't know. I did this step separate because I wanted to be able to wash the noodles and make sure they didn't stick together. So make sure you're washing them. And then I almost messed up, y'all. Why I ain't putting no oil down before I put these onions in there? Now look at me backtracking. Onions in there. Like I said, don't be like me, y'all. Get regular ground turkey. Why would I get ground turkey breast? That's what I get for trying out new things. But this is what it look like when it's done. I added a little bit of garlic up in that thing to go ahead and mix it together. The next step is going to be to get your marinara. I got a tomato basil marinara from Fresh Time Market. You can get whatever brand marinara that you choose. I heard Raoul's is good too. Mix that together. I added a little pinch of the same seasons in there, salt, pepper, the Kinder's garlic and herb. But this next step is important. If you can get you a spoon or like a little utensil that spread like this, get it. It's gonna make your life so much easier. Or if you can't, take the back of a spoon and spread it down the thing. It get a little messy, you know what I'm saying? It can get a little messy. But I wanted to make sure that these was nice and thick, so I was like putting a lot in there because I feel like if it's gonna be lasagna, like it might as well be like the regular lasagna. Like where it's like a lot of cheese and all that stuff. Okay, anyway, if you want, you can put additional cheese like on top of your already like spreaded ricotta mix. But I don't really like cheese that much, so I just did as less as possible. Then you're gonna add your meat mixture. Oh yeah, and in the bottom of your pan, do a little tiny little meat mixture down there. And then roll this thing, y'all, roll it. If for any of my MJ friendly people, roll it like that. You know what I'm saying? All right, roll it, roll it, roll it. Put the next one in, roll it, roll it, roll it, put the next one in. Like I said, layer of meat sauce at the bottom. Put yours in, layer of meat sauce on the top. Now we get to layering it with all that good cheese, same cheese. So don't use all your cheese in the beginning. So you're going to take about half and half because you're going to want to cover it real good with cheese. Now, I put this in the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes. Oh, yeah, add your parsley too. I put this in the oven for about 350 for 15 minutes. And then the last 3 minutes, I put it on a high broil. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all. Look at the way the cheese is crusted on top of there, but also melted. Oh, okay. Y'all know we got to do a close-up product shoot look. Crispy cheese, yes, and then all that cheese up in the middle. Yeah, my boyfriend loved this recipe. I'm not a big cheese person, so it was okay to me. You know, I couldn't really do without the cheese, but for people that love cheese, try it out. I hope to see y'all later.